Hey everyone, this is Tramboy70. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing video plus a comparison video. As you can see, I got two Pusher One Thomases for the comparison video along with the unboxing video. A couple days ago, I got is a Pusher One RWS Series Thomas. So, here's what the packaging looks like. It has the 80th anniversary on it. That was released in 2025, the same year as the 80th anniversary of Thomas and Friends. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the bottom, it says Thomas on it, and the back. And now, let's unbox it. Here it is, everyone. A Pusher One RWS Series Thomas. So here's the front, side, the back, the other side, the top, the bottom, it says Thomas on it. It does look like the RWS Series Thomas, just like this packaging. How cool is that? And now let's do the comparison video to the three Pusher One 2025 Thomases. So here they are. So let's begin. Here we have a Pusher One 2025 Thomas. So here's the front, side, the top, the back, the other side, and the bottom. It says Thomas on it. So what do you think about this Pusher One 2025 Thomas? Let me know in the comments down below. So next up is another Pusher One Thomas. Plus, it's different. As you can see on that side, there's a workman painting Thomas blue by using red paint and blue paint. Well, the workman's painting Thomas blue. After he paints Thomas blue, he's using the red paint for the stripes. So here's the front, side, the back, the other side, the top, the bottom. It says Thomas on it. This Thomas who has a workman painting him, it came with this packaging I got from Walmart. It's a Pusher One Thomas Sort of Adventure Pack. It came with Henry, James, Percy, and Thomas's two coaches, Annie and Credible. So what do you think about the Pusher One Thomas version 2 who has a workman paint him, who came with Sort of Adventure Pack? Let me know in the comments down below. Next up is the third Thomas. It's the RWS Series Thomas. So here it is. He does look like a way receives Thomas, just like the Tommy Playwell Thomas, which I got since May 2025 when it was the first release. So what do you think about the push one way receives Thomas? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it with the unboxing review and comparison video of the 3 push-one Thomas trains. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next video.